Hey guys, if you are someone who are stuck with self-assessment tax and do not know how to do it, then today's video is for you. I'll explain you how you can fill in your self-assessment tax using net banking facility of ICICI Bank and State Bank of India, and how you can generate the BSR challan and use that particular information to fill in the self-assessment tax section under the new income tax portal. Hi, my name is Nishan and I welcome you to my channel Save More Money, where I simplify personal finance and help you all become financially independent. Before moving ahead, a small request. Please remember to click on the like, subscribe and share button if you like today's video.
From Google, I search for self-assessment tax payment, and the options among that I click the first one, e-payment for TIN. The URL I have pasted in the description. Under that, select challan 280. If you see the description, it will show that it's for payment of advance tax and self-assessment tax. Since this video is on self-assessment, just click on the proceed button. Now on the next page, you have to select tax applicable. For individuals, you have to select 21, income tax other than companies. On the type of payments, you can do two type of payments mainly. One is the advance tax if you're paying advance tax, or the self-assessment tax, which is 300 self-assessment. Since this video is for 300 self-assessment, we'll select that particular value. Coming to the next field, that is mode of payment. You have the option to do the payment via net banking or debit card. Credit card is not an option. This video I'll make using both ICICI Bank and State Bank of India net banking services. First I click on the ICICI Bank. After that, fill in your basic details like the permanent account number. So I'm filling my permanent account number. The current assessment year, so for financial year 2021, assessment year is 2021-22. Your address, residential address, your email ID and your mobile number. Once you have filled all these details, just enter the captcha code and click on the proceed button. On the next page, you will be shown all your details. You have to confirm that once. So just go through all the details once again. And here, just verify that your PAN number, the database extracted name is appearing properly, as well as the assessment year. And once you have verified all the information, click on I agree button and then press on submit to the bank. You will be routed to ICICI Payment Gateway. Under that, click on pay as retail user if you are logging in via internet banking, or you can use your debit card as well. Now here login credentials should be entered, so your user ID and password. Select the account from which the payment has to be made. So this is your bank account with ICICI. Under the tax type, direct taxes, just verify that section 21 income tax other than companies is selected. Assessment year is the correct assessment year and all the other details are relevant. Then under the details of payment, fill in the value of self-assessment tax which you want to pay. So if you're paying 15,000 as a self-assessment tax, just fill 15,000 in income tax and click on calculate total amount. The value will automatically be filled on the right side under total amount column, and then you have to click on continue button. So once you click on continue button, you will again be routed to the payment page. Verify all the details, scroll down and enter your OTP, which will be sent on your mobile number. After entering the OTP, click on submit and you will be routed to the confirmation page where your payment has been made. Now let's do the payment again using SBI. So this time I'll show you how to fill in using the income tax portal. Log in to the income tax portal. Scroll down, you will see ePay tax option under our services. So click on this, you will be redirected to an external website which is the same ePayment for TIN which we had used for ICICI. Again the same process, select on 280, proceed, and once you proceed, fill in the basic details, 21 300. Net banking, this time we'll use SBI. Fill in your other basic details, fill in the captcha code, verify all the details, click on I agree button and submit. You'll be redirected to SBI payment gateway. Click on internet banking. You can also use ATM if you want to. Fill in your details here. Check all the other details, fill in the tax value. So for example, if my self tax is come to 500, all the other things will remain blank, and then I click on the confirm button. When I click on the confirm button, it will take me to the verify page. I'll verify all the details and then I'll click on confirm, and once I click on confirm, I'll get this particular confirmation message that the transaction is scheduled for next day. This is because I am doing it in the night. If I do it before the cutoff date, it will appear immediately. So guys, this is the BSR challan which will be generated. All you have to do is go to ITR page, tax paid, click on that. Go to the self-assessment, advanced tax and self-assessment, click on add another and fill in the BSR code, serial challan number and date, and that you will get from here of your challan, BSR code, date, challan serial number. These are the only information you need. Use this, fill in the self-assessment on income tax return page, and that's it, you are done.
That's it guys. So I hope you liked today's video. Do remember to click on the like, subscribe, share button. Until next time, this is Nishant signing off. Bye, take care, ta-da.